Hey y'all, it's Tastepink and we got a KeKe all about KeKe. I'm gonna give you guys like a full demonstration of how I slayed this kinky blown out blunt kind of cut bob. It is so beautiful and this is something that the girls need to get into because I feel very sexy. The cut on this is amazing. The texture, the luster, you couldn't tell me this is not my hair. And then this parting, the full pre-plucked hairline, which is just giving you natural realistic tease. We gotta talk. So before we get into all of that, sis, because I'm gonna give you a whole meal, make sure you subscribe, join the family, and let me know when you do so I can give you a nice warm welcome. And if you're feeling this look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share with your homeboys and your homegirls, and KeKe with me in the comments all about KeKe. So sis, I wanted to give you guys like a full rundown of how I styled this unit from start to finish so you know what you're getting yourself into. So I'm gonna let you get into that and then I'm gonna come on back. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so you guys saw how I slayed KeKe, but what I highly recommend is to take your unit off and place it on a canvas blockhead so that you have more control when you're flat ironing your unit, and do it in small to medium sections. I did mine on about 415 degrees. That gives me the best results. And also use the comb chase method. This is going to allow for a very sleek finish on this very kinky blown out textured hair. This is 150% density of hair, so you're getting a lot of texture and you're getting a lot of hair within a section. So you want to make sure it's as smooth and sleek as possible. If you want it even more sleek, if you're someone who, this may be a little bit too much volume for you, you can also blow dry your unit prior to using the hot comb on it. Now sis, I wanted to really accentuate the pre-plucked, very natural looking hairline that expands all across the front edge. This unit did a really good job of giving me that pre-plucked feel. If you don't want baby hairs, if you're tired of that look, sis, this is it. And use that wax stick in the beginning to help sleek down the hair away from the edge. It makes it so much neater and easier for my beginners who don't want to fuss with the hair at the perimeter if you don't even need to. And another thing, I wanted to go in and make this super simple. I know a lot of the girls are doing glueless, which you definitely can do, but I only wanted to use the Got to Be Free spray. This is so reliable even in the heat. The key is to apply it across the ear tabs and in small sections across the front of the hairline. And then you want to use the elastic band that comes with this wig. It's not pre-installed, but they send it to you in a little Ziploc bag. Sis, use that to wrap around the lace front edge and let it set for like 10 to 15 minutes. The lace is going to melt into your skin. Like it's gonna look hashtag melted. And you guys know this particular unit has bleached knots. They're not as bleached, but because this is 100% virgin hair, I definitely think they exercised caution so they don't damage the hair. In case you want to color your hair, you want to bleach it, lift it a few volumes. This is like something where you put it on and you go. And if you use pressed powder, you can. I only used pressed powder in the area of the parting space, and you get 13 by 6. So across the ear, you're gonna get that free space, and the lace extends all the way 6 inches into the crown. But I like that the length of the part isn't too deep where it looks unrealistic or unnatural. And so they really captured the essence of natural hair. This is like if you went to your girls and you got a blowout and it looks bomb and your hair is super healthy and it has bomb luster. Like they did their thing with this. Okay, I wish I would have had this unit last weekend because I would have been slaying when I went out. This is perfect as we transition into fall. This texture, this luster, the thickness, like look how natural that looks. Girl, this is a heaven sent. Like you need to go get this. Don't delay. Use the coupon code PINK to get money off your order. And if you're someone who's a little hesitant right now, just bookmark the page, sis. Okay, come back when they have a sale, use the code, get your money's worth, because this unit is everything. And like I said, I just added a little bit of pressed powder in the area of the parting space. No baby hairs because we're trying to keep it cute. You know, we're adults. Okay, we're booked, busy, cute adult. Okay, so this definitely gives me that vibe. If you guys are interested, definitely do it. I've reviewed several different types of hair from CurlsCurls. They're very trusted. So sis, I wouldn't steer you wrong. And what do you guys think? Like, I feel like a real auntie. I look super cute. Like I'm definitely feeling myself. And the 12 inches is perfect for my face shape. This is the perfect length for beginners who are scared of a shorter cut. But the way that they cut this unit, excellent job. Y'all did y'all thing. So let me know in the comment section what you think, sis, but you already know what to do. Subscribe. Tell me in the comment section if you're feeling KeKe, okay? Be sure to share with your homeboys and your homegirls. And also, give this video a thumbs up if you like this entire look. I did this little cute eyeshadow because I'm ready for fall, sis. I'm ready for the cooler temperatures. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.